I'm so excited. I love this house. So the story on this house is the lady that used to own it worked at our family's company for like 40 years. And I remember her sitting out on this porch. I remember coming over and visiting her. I don't think that was her furniture, but I'm so excited. Now, the deal with this house is it caught on fire. So there's some smoke damage. There's some tenant damage, but we'll check it out. So this will be the dining room, I reckon, or maybe a sitting room. And then this is the living room. Front door right there. Jesus is here. That's great. Oh, this is my husband. Honey bunny, you want to say hi?
Hey.
And then, no, I don't know if you're ready for that yet. Let's go this way. All right, so you come in off the porch. This will be the laundry room. All right, so we'll make this into the laundry room. And it was the butler's pantry. And then this was the kitchen. You see the smoke damage, the fire damage. But that'll be the kitchen. See, there's the kitchen sink. And we'll lay the kitchen out around it. But you can see the basement. But what happened, there was a, let me see where I'm stepping here. Whee! Okay. There was a heater there in the hallway, and it caught on fire just right there and just smoked up into the attic, melted the fan. But this was the kitchen, and most of the damage is just right here. So this is it. So we'll have some work to do in the kitchen and redo the steps going into the basement. It also messed up the steps going into the upstairs unit. But this is fine. And I'm telling y'all, when I say I buy houses, I mean, as is, don't worry about it. I ain't scared. Send it to me. Let's make a deal. So that's what's happening on this house. I've got 6 months to get it in shape and then cash out my seller. All right, so I tried to get 5 years. I tried to get 2 years, and the seller wasn't having it. But he would let me get 6 months. So I got 6 months to get my work done in here and make it worth something and then cash him out. So I love it. I'm giving him some money every month, and I'll be starting some work on it. And this is fine. This is totally fine. This is fine. So here's one bedroom. It's one bedroom. And look, these are original hardwood floors. And there's nothing wrong with this room. There's a closet, nice view, country living out here. I love it. This is totally fine. All right. Look, we can just clean these floors. I'm telling you, all the damage is just right here. And it's not that bad. I mean, you just got to replace the floors. Put some walls up. I love taking walls down anyway, so that's not a big deal. Here's another big bedroom. I mean, big old bedroom. That desk is nice. Ooh, and that chair is nice. I love it. I'll furnish it. We'll rent it by the month. I love it. I'm excited. I am thrilled. It's plaster on the walls because it's an old house. But here's a bathroom. There's the shower. Mostly, it's just dirty, y'all. There's nothing wrong with this house. It is a solid house. It's just got one room and some sheetrock damage. All right, but it's no big deal. It's fine. I can hear the rain on that metal roof. Insurance company did put a new metal roof on the house, and ensured that the house was still secure, because, I mean, it wasn't like a huge fire. It was just in one room. So I'll shut the front door there. Hey, you went upstairs? How'd it look?
Just a big open room, put up some sheetrock, make a good office, extra bedroom. It's fine.
It's fine. Did you hear him? It's fine. Everything's fine. It's totally fine. I'm fine. You're fine.
Long-in insulation, it's good.
Everything's fine. We'll put new windows in here. We'll get a new door right here. Here's some plywood. There's $100 laying there.
Yeah, not a lot of work here.
Not a lot of work. It's totally fine. Everything is fine. New windows. New kitchen. It's all good.